In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zapier account password. To get started, sign into your Zapier account as you normally would. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on, since password settings are only available from inside your account dashboard. If you're using a shared or public device, it's also a good idea to be extra mindful while entering any login information. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Zapier keeps your personal account options and settings. After that, choose Settings from the menu that appears. This will take you to the area where you can manage your account details. Next, open the Account or Profile section, depending on how it appears in your version of the dashboard. You're looking for the section that contains your personal login and security information. From there, locate the password settings. This is the part that allows you to update the password currently tied to your account. When you find it, click Change Password. Zapier will then ask you to confirm your identity by entering your current password first. This is an important security step, and it helps make sure only you can make changes to the account. After entering your current password, type in your new password. Choose something strong and unique that you don't already use on other websites. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered the new password, re-enter it in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typing mistakes. Now click Save Changes or Update Password, depending on the button label shown on your screen. After submitting the change, give Zapier a moment to process the update. You should then see some kind of confirmation that the password change was successful. This message lets you know the update has been completed correctly. If Zapier asks you to sign in again, go ahead and log back in using your new password. This final step confirms that your new credentials are working properly. If you're able to sign in without any issues, then your password has been changed successfully. And that's it. You've now updated your Zapier account password. Keeping your password current is a simple but important way to protect your account and connected workflows. Thanks for watching.